26-year-old police constable who needed liver transplant dies. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Constable Danique Anderson, the 26-year-old Jamaican policewoman who topped her training batch and who was in need of a liver transplant, has died. She passed away early Saturday morning at the University Hospital of the West Indies in St. Andrew, where she had been for the past 2 weeks. In 2017, shortly after she joined the Jamaica Constabulary Force, Anderson was diagnosed with autoimmune hepatitis, a rare disease that occurs when the body's immune system attacks the liver. Earlier this year, Anderson traveled to the United States in hopes of getting a liver transplant to save her life, but was unable to get on the transplant list due to lack of insurance. She later returned to Jamaica and has been in and out of hospital ever since. Anderson's situation began unfolding when she was sent to the United States of America by the Jamaica Police Federation on May the 5th, with the reported understanding that arrangements had been made for her to see a doctor at the Bellevue Hospital in Manhattan. However, early disappointment set in as her mother, Jem Donald, said that 3 days in the United States, it was not clear from the Police Federation which doctor her daughter was due to see. As Anderson's condition worsened, her mother said she reached out to Rupert Francis in Florida, who put her in touch with members of the Northeast Health Task Force, who were able to get her daughter treated at an emergency room at various New Jersey hospitals. However, she was not able to get the detailed treatment that she needed that was required for her to be on the list for liver donations. Anderson's situation was brought to the attention of the Jamaica General Counsel in New York, Alcian Wilson, who made arrangement with Harlem Hospital for her to be treated at that facility. Harlem Hospital arranged emergency insurance and New York City insurance to cover her stay at the hospital, but those did not cover the cost for the liver transplant. In July, Donald said her daughter was discharged from Harlem Hospital as doctors told her that she could die at any time without the transplant. Anderson was the only female among 196 constables who graduated from the National Police College in January 2019. She achieved the highest overall score for Batch 119. She joined in 2017 as part Batch 117 but was forced to delay her training because of illness. My mother encouraged me. I wanted to work for the government to serve my country and community. I wanted to be looked upon as a role model. Being the only female, it wasn't really that hard. I just did my best, Anderson told reporters at her graduation. She added, "My sickness pushed me forward. When I was training and felt a little pain, I would tell myself that I cannot go backwards. That pushed me to work very hard to complete it. My vision is for the police to work alongside citizens and vice versa. I want the relationship between the police and citizens to be a better one. They taught us to be respectful. We are expected to treat others equally," she stated. This has been Links 007 TV News Report, and we here at Links 007 TV just want to take this opportunity to express our heartfelt and sincere condolences to her family and friends. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.